Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Hot 30i and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. And right here, unfortunately, we do not have any option which is connected with the timer right here. It is not highlighted, so we have to enter the settings themselves. Let's tap on this icon, the first icon from the left, and now let's simply tap on the timer. As you can see, we've got 4 different options, so off, 3, 5, and 10 seconds delay. So let me set maybe 10 seconds delay, just tap on it. As you can see, it will be immediately notified right here. Now we can go back. It is unfortunately not visible here, so we cannot really check whether you've got the timer set or not without entering the settings, but that's okay. All you have to do right now is to tap on the shutter button, and as you can see, from now on your device will count down from 10, 3 or 5, depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Okay, of course you can always turn off the timer. Just go back to the settings, tap on the timer and tap on off. And from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.